Hi guys, welcome to this hair tutorial. We've just created Lily's makeup and that is going to be in a link below and up here I think. We're just going to create a festival hair look. Okay. So start by sectioning your hair in orange segments all the way around the head. So this is triangle segments using the crown as a starting point. The first section that will be on the side parting we've left free, and then we've began the bobbling all the way around after that. And for any of you that want to catch up and see the makeup tutorial we did for this look as well, you can find the link below and we'll also put it up at the top. So continue around the head. We've gone lower on one side and higher on the other side here to give a bit more of an asymmetrical look and make it a bit quirkier. Now we're finished, we're going to be using a little of some yellow hair extensions. So this artificial hair that you can buy online, it's pretty easy. For us locally, it's at Paul's Hair World. But you can get this absolutely everywhere now in loads of different colours, in pastels. It's really pretty and you can get loads of colours to coordinate with any looks that you're going for. So I've threaded a section of this through the bobble, so it's the same length on each side. Then we've created a little bit of root lift in the front section. And then you might want to add a bit of texturising spray or something through all the ponytails if your hair is particularly slippy. And also if you're going to a festival and you want to take this out, it's probably put a bit of texturising spray through, you'll get like a bit of a beachy curl or something come out of it. You never know what you'll get on the other side. And then we're just going to twist all this hair in sections. So you begin by twisting your two sections in the same direction, but then twisting them on themselves, wrapping them around themselves in the opposite direction that you've twisted each section, if that makes sense. So if you watch, we twist anti-clockwise and then we are wrapping clockwise. And then as we get to each section of hair that's been ponytailed, half goes in each side of the rope braid. This is a lot harder to describe than I thought it would be. Then with it being a rope braid, it can be a little bit slippier than that of a French or a fishtail. So you want to get some curby grips and take those into the twists and push them into the ponytails. It'll secure the braid down and make sure it's not slipping anywhere. And then just keep manipulating, pulling the braid out where you want it a bit fuller. You need to hide the elastics underneath. And just keep twisting. So continue twisting both ponytails in an anti-clockwise direction, but wrapping them around each other in a clockwise direction or vice versa. And then as soon as you get to the end, you'll just secure it with a bobble, fold it over and tuck it behind the braid that you started on the other side. Just do your final touches, manipulate it into place. It is super, super easy. It's just getting the knack of doing a rope braid, which is easier said than done sometimes. So push the tail ends of your braid into the start of your braid where it's a bit chunkier, and you can hide those ends away. That's my rope crown braid, guys. I hope you liked it. Remember to leave all your comments below. Don't forget to give us a big thumbs up and hit subscribe.